Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change postage on Vinted in 2026. Now, if you picked the wrong shipping option, you want cheaper delivery or you want to offer faster shipping to the buyers, Vinted is going to let you update postage very easily as long as the item isn't sold yet. So first of all, you need to come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the profile icon. Now click on the option of profile. Now here it is going to show you your listings. So you just have to open the item where you want to change the postage. On the items page, you just have to simply edit your item. So once you are on the item editing page, you just have to simply scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of shipping option. So here you will see all of the available courier or delivery choices for your country. So to change the postage, you just have to simply turn off shipping options that you don't want and turn on the ones that you prefer. Some may be cheaper, faster, or more popular with the buyers. So once you are happy with the selection, simply click on the option of save. Your listing will now show the updated delivery options instantly and the buyers will see the new postage prices at the checkout. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.